Hi everybody, it's Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas Eve. Merry Christmas. Whatever you celebrate, I hope that you're having a joyous time, a peaceful time. And if you're not feeling merry, that's okay too. I finally got the Christmas tree. So Josh is here in town from California for Christmas. He and I went out and got the tree. It's really small. It's beautiful though. And then this morning we wake up and Kevin, anyway, our little kitty, orange kitty Kevin, knocked it over, got on top of it and knocked the whole thing over. So that's what we had this morning. All right, my dishwasher's going. Hopefully you can hear me. What I wanted to do was show you guys this cheese ball. I have made this every holiday for many years. Yeah, that one right there. Yeah, Kevin, you. And I got this recipe from a spouse of one of the colonels. We went to their house for an event on Fort Lewis. This is so many years ago. And she had this really unusual cheese ball. So just, you know, stick with me. I know it sounds really weird. It sounds like it wouldn't even be good, but anytime somebody tastes it, they love it. They all ask for the recipe. So here we go, guys. What you start out with is you want to chop up some onion. You need to chop up some pecans. And of course you can toast them beforehand. You need some sharp cheddar cheese. And then mayonnaise. Okay. It's okay, trust the process, as they say. And then over the top, you're going to put strawberry jam. And I'm really a bit nervous because this is all I have left. I thought I had another one in the pantry, but I don't. It can't be raspberry. It has to be strawberry. All right, so we're going to mix all these things together. And I'll put the recipe below, but I don't have exact proportions because I just dump in enough to make a sizable cheese ball that I like. You pack it in the mold that you like. You put it in the fridge. And then you're going to use a rubber spatula. Hold on, I'll show you. Okay, you're going to use this and you're going to scrape out the mold and turn it over onto a plate or some type of area where you can put crackers around it, put it in the middle, and then you dump this on top. So there's something about the sharp cheddar cheese, the nuts, the onion, and then that sweetness of the strawberry jam. Of course, if you need low sugar or no sugar strawberry jam, that will work too. All right, so let me put this together and I will be back. When it looks like this, you still need to add more mayonnaise. You want it to be moldable. And I know it seems like a lot of mayo, but it comes together and in the fridge, it all blends together and is really delicious. So let's add some more mayo. Okay, I'm getting ready to put it in the mold, but I forgot to show you this. Is this not the cutest? This is just so cute. This brand is called Swig. And these Christmas ones are on sale. Let me grab my son's. So this one is Joshua's and this one is mine. And they're just adorable. Look at, you could do hot or cold. He has water, I have iced coffee. Okay, cheers.
Christmas bells cast a spell on the world, bringing you home to me from across the sea. And it seems like you're already here whenever I hear Christmas bells chime in my ear.
They do. They're cute stars. We love you. Merry Christmas.
When a snowflake falls, when a bluebird calls on Christmas, love songs that we heard all just seem absurd on Christmas. When you hold me tight in the shimmering lights of Christmas. by your lights, up a starry night on Christmas. The promises we made all just seems to fade on Christmas. When you kiss me slow under the mistletoe on